All right, so hear me out. The people who win aren't smarter than you. They just got addicted to the boredom of the process, right? If your life always feels exciting, you're likely actually not growing. Because the issue is that we all chase success like it's supposed to feel amazing. Like every single day should be full of these breakthroughs and motivation and passion and purpose and these like explosive fireworks inside you. But the truth is that success is usually boring. It's usually repetitive and it's very likely a lonely process. And that's exactly why most people just never find it, right? Because the second that things stop being exciting, they think that something is inherently wrong, right? They start looking for a new path, a new goal, a new dopamine hit, instead of realizing that they're already on the right path. There's also a very common myth of motivation, whereas we've all been brainwashed to think that progress should feel good, right? But progress is quiet. It's almost invisible, right? You don't notice it when it's happening. You just wake up one day and you become and embody that type of person, that kind of person where the stuff that needs to get done just gets done whether you feel like it or not. Like I was personally always told growing up that the best time to do something is when you least want to do it, right? The time when you want to do something the least amount is literally the best time to do it, right? So when I was younger, I used to chase that like motivated feeling. I thought that if I didn't feel inspired, it meant that I was off track or that I was falling off, you know? And I realized that the days that felt slow, the ones that were repetitive and dull, are the ones that build the foundation to your success, right? Because I'm sorry to say, but motivation will always, literally always fade, right? But repetition is what compounds and builds the character that you need to embody that's necessary to win and actually stay winning, right? Because the main issue is that we live in like this dopamine economy. You know, everything is designed to keep you addicted to like the newness, new videos, new sounds, new trends. Like even self-improvement has become another form of entertainment where everyone has these like absurd morning routines, you know, they're honestly getting out of hand. But guys, success doesn't happen in the motion, it happens in the stillness, right? In those like invisible hours where nobody's watching, where it's just you and the work. That's what they call private victories, right? The wins that you stack up and compound, which eventually lead to your public victories. And the main issue is that social media makes you believe that everybody is growing faster than you. But I promise, guys, what you're seeing is like the highlight reel, right? All the public victories, not the 1,000 boring days that it took to get there. This is what I call like the 5-year overnight success or however many years it took you. And then people finally see you blow up and that's the overnight success. But what about the 5 years? What about the 10 years that it took to stack up and compound the character traits that were necessary for you to win? Because guys, every athlete, every musician, every entrepreneur that you admire, they all live inside the same loop, right? The same drills, the same routines, the same tasks that 99% of people just, they can't stand to repeat. And that's what separates them, guys. It's not the talent, it's not luck. It's simply just doing the same thing over and over until you win. It's the repetition. Because when I built my business, it wasn't all these big moments that changed anything. It was literally the small, boring actions that nobody saw. The late nights reviewing all the same old systems and trying to make them better. The endless videos that I posted that no one cared to watch. The countless hours and the countless times that I showed up when I just did not want to. And at the time, it was so freaking boring. You know, but looking back, like these were literally the defining days of my success. The boring, where all the growth hides, waiting for you to endure it long enough to meet it. That's really what it is, right? And here's the trap, guys. If your brain constantly needs this like stimulation, you're going to destroy anything that could have made you great. Because the moment that something stops giving you this like the dopamine rush, you end up quitting or you end up calling it burnout. Right? But burnout is not from working too hard. It's from expecting everything to be exciting all the time. Right? So if you can inherently just love the boredom, like learn to love the boredom and find a passion for it, the repetition, the quiet, you will literally become unstoppable, right? Because the boring work doesn't just build results. Like I mentioned before, it literally builds the character that's necessary to succeed. And here's the common paradox that nobody talks about. The closer that you actually get to the mastery that's required, the less it actually feels like progress, right? The closer that you reach towards the mastery that you're striving for, the less it all feels like progress. Because once you've done something for long enough, the novelty of the whole thing dies, right? It just becomes a part of who you are. So the people that look disciplined, they aren't this like superhuman person, right? They're just not dependent on feeling excited anymore. They're not dependent on the emotions that most people associate to what you would need to feel to be successful. They just do the thing. They replace the passion with the presence, right? And they stopped chasing energy and started just embodying and accepting that consistency is the only thing that's required to succeed, right? Doing the same thing consistently across a long enough horizon while making micro and macro improvements is all you need to do to be successful, right? And that's all what freedom is, right? Not this hype, not the chaos, but literally the stillness. So if you guys are bored right now, that's great. That means you're finally doing the real work. So you just need to keep showing up, keep stacking your private victories, right? Because one day you're going to wake up and realize that the same routine that at one point back in the day felt meaningless and mundane was allowing you to build a life that most people literally only dream about. Right? Because everyone wants the thrill of transformation. They want to feel that transformation. But real transformation doesn't really feel like much because it happens over such a long enough horizon that you normalize all of the progress and all the evolution. And there's not this big firework thing, right? It's literally just repetition. Success is just repetition, done long enough. And then eventually the world catches up and they just call you lucky for it.